Okay, so we're going to look at a couple of simple interest problems as practice. Julie borrowed $3,500 for 3 years at 7.5% simple interest rate. What is the total amount that she will pay back? So this is a simple interest problem, so I'm going to start by writing the simple interest formula. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to find the different parts in the problem. So she borrowed $3,500. That's the principal. For 3 years, that's the time, at 7.5% simple interest. That's the rate. And we're trying to find the total amount. Well, to find the total amount, I have to find the interest first. So let me fill in the things I know. So I put all the parts in from the word problem, and notice when I put in the 7.5%, I change it to a decimal by moving the decimal 2 places to the left. And then I'm going to just put that in the calculator and get my interest of, you could do it too. I have the interest being $787.50. But that's just the interest. That's not the total amount she has to pay back. So to find the total amount she has to pay back, I have to add the amount she borrowed to the interest she has to pay. And that would give me the total. So then my final answer is $4,287.50. So now let's look at the second one. Dan deposited $2,000 at a 2% annual simple interest rate. When he checks the amount of interest he has earned, it is $20. How long has he been earning interest? So now we're looking for the time. So let's find all the parts that we do know. His deposit is the principal, 2%. So $2,000 is the principal and 2% is the interest rate. When he checks the amount of interest he has, it's $20. So that's the interest in money, and we're trying to find the time. So as I fill those things in, I'm going to have to solve for the time, but I can't just multiply all these things together. So to solve this, I'm going to first multiply what is together on this side, and I'm going to get a simplified answer. So that would be 2,000 times 0.02 is 40. So 40 are these two things put together, times t equals 20. And then to solve this, I'm not going to multiply 20 times 40, I'm going to divide because the variable is on the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 40. Then that means t equals 0.5. Well, if the time is 0.5, that means that it's not even a full year, it's actually 6 months. Because half of a year is 6 months. The time in your interest rate problems are always in years. So those are 2 examples. I hope that cleared some things up for you, and that helps.